And now I'm here enjoying my Neer dosa. So this is the way it looks with the chutney. Today it's only coconut chutney. And it's going to be delicious. Yes, indeed it is. We are going to make Neer dosas now. And it's one of my favorite dosas. So there's Anusya. And that's the dough. And now she's going to make it. It's like super thin dosas, and traditionally you can eat it with chutney or something sweet that's like coconut and jaggery mixed, and also with fish is also the tradition if you're not vegan. And this is like a typical traditionally iron pan which you get here in Mangalore. Or maybe I should buy such a one. It's called Bheed. Now I'm here in Kundapur. So she put one drop just to test if the pan is hot enough. So this pan is like only for dosas. Nothing else is allowed because then it's seasoned for dosas. So you can only make dosas on it. So Neer dosa, the dough is made out of rice and coconut. You put very little like that, you spread it because it's super thin, as I said, just like tissue paper. Then you let it steam because there's hardly a little bit of fat used. So the oil that is used is generally sesame seed oil. वो तेल आप यूज़ करते हैं वो कौन सा है, नारियल तेल है या
नहीं,
sunflower oil? Okay, she's using sunflower oil, not sesame seed. My mom would use coconut or sesame. So see, it's done within a couple of seconds. Yippee. And then she uses this little stem here to spread. So organic, look at that. और ये किसका है, ये कौन सा झाड़ है, ये banana. So this is like the stem of the banana, the trunk of the banana, one part. So that you use like how in Europe you would use a brush and sometimes a plastic one. Here it's all very natural, biodegradable, organic stuff. So you see, our culture was always like that until the intruders came and taught all this plastic nonsense stuff. And then she again pours it in a very funny fashion, like just throw it away everywhere, so it's very thin. So it lightly covers the pan, and then it's done.